Now in this lesson we're going to look at problem solving with the mean. Some of the questions we're going to look at are quite tricky, but if you follow the same process most times then it works out not too bad. So let's have a look. The mean weight of two boys is 56 kilograms, so that's their average weight. If one boy weighs 51.5 kilograms, then what must the other one weigh? Well, you start these problems with the formula again. So the formula is mean equals sigma x over n. So this is adding all the data values up on top. In this case is 2. N is the number of data values, the number of numbers, and the mean is the average. So in this case we know the average. Now it's saying the mean weight is 56, so you can fill that in here. So we can say 56 is the mean. We know the number of boys is 2, so we know 2 goes in the bottom. And on the top, we know one of the boys weighs 51.5, but we don't really know what the other one weighs. And this is what we're trying to find out. So we'll call him X. I mean, you could call him question mark, but we'll use a bit of algebra here. So 51.5 add something divided by 2 gives you the mean, which is 56. Now the best thing to do here is to try to get rid of this fraction here, divide by 2. And the way to do this is to undo a dividing by 2. So to undo a divided by 2, you times by 2. But you must do the same to the other side. You learnt this in equations work. So what happens here is, if we multiply this side by 2, the 2's just cancel. We're dividing by 2 and timesing by 2, so that just leaves us with the top line. And on the other side, we're doubling 56, and that's 112. So now it's really quite simple. If you just do a takeaway sum, if you do 112 take away 51.5, you're going to get your answer, and that's 60.5 kilograms. So the hard bit is this bit here, setting it up properly, and then knowing to get rid of the fraction by multiplying both sides by 2. Effectively you're just multiplying this side by 2 because these two cancel. Right, let's look at the next question. The mean age of 4 children is 10 years old. 3 of the children are 8, 9 and 16. We've got to work out what the 4th child weighs. So set it up the same way as the one above. The mean age of 4 children is 10. Right, we know what this is, it's 10. We know how many children there are. There's 4, so we can put a 4 in the bottom. And we know 3 of the numbers in the top, but we don't know the 4th one, so we can write that down and use x again as the unknown. So this is the child we don't know. Right, how do we sort this out? Well, the first thing is to get rid of the fraction again. How do you get rid of dividing by 4? Well, you times by 4. That's how you undo that. And do it to the other side. I'm just writing with the mouse here. Okay, so if you times this side by 4, then timesing by 4 and dividing by 4, they just cancel each other out. So you're left with the top line. And the other side, 4 times 10, that's just 40. Okay, so we're trying to work this out. So I would add the 8, the 9 and the 16, and you get 33. So what do you add to 33 to get 40? It's quite easy now, so it's 7. So it's all about following this structure here, and it actually works out not too bad.